So here's what I want to do. I want to do only women. Women first. And not big, not huge, just laughing. Something, you know, we watch something happening in the pro Bundy fight and Bolin falls on his butt and makes you laugh. So all the women only, and.
None of the guys thought that joke was funny at all.
Men, now, men only. A little bit bigger than what the ladies just did. A little bit bigger laugh. And? Excellent. And now, kids. Only people under 16 years old. I want to hear you all laugh. You ready? With me? And?
There's no They were 4 years old when Firefly came out, so no.